Hi guys, welcome to my channel and how to download Gigabyte graphic card driver. So first you have to come this site www.gigabyte.com. This is officially website. After that this is search icon. Just click on it and then enter the model number of motherboard. AORUS RTX 2080 XTREME WATERFORCE WB8G. After that search your motherboard on this website and then click on the product. Now you can see this is your graphic card. Just click on it. And then click on support. Then select your operating system, Windows 8.1, 8, 7, 11, 10. So all the operating system installations process same. This is your driver and this is size. And this is download icons. When you click to download, it will start download in the download box. So you can see it is complete 4 to 5 minutes. It will take time and depend about your internet. It is completed, then click on three dot in the corners and then go to download. Now you can see it is completed. So this is completed, then open this file, show in file folder. So where it is downloading, it will open it. You can see this is your driver. Just right click and run as administrator. And if you are using Windows 10, so like this, run as administrator. You can see NVIDIA package launcher and click to yes. Then click on OK. After that you can see this is extract drivers to your system for the installation. Please wait the file save to your computer, and when complete driver installations will start. After that you can see, okay, now you're checking the connectivity, and then next to install, next and then restart your system. You can see this is icon, next license options, then here to step finished, and after that also completed driver, then restart your system.